In this video, I want to show you how to use the Show Me tool to build a data visualization. When you're looking at your blank canvas, if you don't see the Show Me tool, look in the upper right corner, click on Show Me, and there's your menu. And what this is, these are icons of the various types of charts that you can build. And as you hover over an icon, Tableau tells you what you need in order to create it. Now these are grayed out, which means I can't do it because I don't have any dimensions or measures yet on the field or on a shelf. We're going to do this on sales. So I'm going to go down here and get the sales measure. And I'm just going to drag it into the field. Show Me says now you can make a bar chart. So I'm going to click on that. And it starts out, it gives me a horizontal bar chart. I generally like to have my charts as column charts. I can fix that pretty easily by going up here in the toolbar and click on reverse. And now I've got a nice column chart with my sales in the rows, which is the best place to have your measure. We need a date down here, it says. So I'm going to go get order date. And I'm going to drag it up into the columns. And we're starting to get offered some charts. If I click on this one, that's a traditional line chart. We wanted an area chart, so I'm going to go down and click on this area chart. We have now an area chart, but we just have one area because we have not added a dimension, a categorical variable yet. We're going to use region, and I'm going to drag it up and put it on color. Now I've got an area chart that shows my 4 regions, and if I click here on Show Me to hide it, there's my legend. I can drag this over here so it's a little more visible. There we go. We've got our legend and we've got an area chart. One final little trick, Tableau defaults to put your regions, in this case, in alphabetical order. Sometimes you want to change that. So you can click on the drop down, go to sort. I'm going to click a drop down again and go to manual. Now there's my 4 levels of the categorical variable. I want to put south on top. I just drag it and close. And there's my nice area chart.